Like a lot of people today, I spend a lot of time sitting at a desk in front of a computer, and because of that, my posture has started to suffer. But for the last week, I've been doing some exercises that have really made a big difference, and today I wanted to share with you the exercises that I've been doing and the results that I've gotten in just 1 week. So here's what my normal walk looked like before these exercises. My posture has me leaning forward slightly, and it reminds me of someone else I know. Not good. To do these exercises though, all you'll need is a wall. Stand against the wall with your back to it. Make sure that the back of your head and your shoulders are touching the wall. Also make sure that your butt is touching the wall and the heels of your feet are touching the wall. Before you begin, tuck your chin downwards towards your chest and focus on keeping it tucked down towards your chest throughout the entire exercise. Start with your hands at your side and keep your arms straight. Begin to raise and lower your arms, kind of like you're flying, for 10 times. Next, with your arms down at your side, bring them up and cup your ears. Do this 10 times, and remember to keep your chin tucked downwards. You'll start to feel some pain at the base of your neck as your spine is starting to stretch. Finally, pretend that you're climbing an invisible ladder with only your arms. This means keeping your head, shoulders, butt, and the heels of your feet against the wall. Repeat these exercises 2 more times each for a total of 3 sets in one sitting. You'll do these exercises twice a day. And just a heads up, you'll start to feel some soreness in your neck as you're beginning to use some muscles that you haven't used in a while, just like when you start a new exercise program. But this pain will only last for a few days and it will start to go away as your muscles get stronger. After completing just 3 sets, I could already tell a huge difference. Here you can see my before and after changes to my posture. And after doing these exercises for 7 days, my natural standing position has improved dramatically. So if you're looking to improve your posture, definitely try out this exercise. I'll tell you, you'll see an immediate difference after the first time you do it. And as you continue to do it throughout the week, you'll notice that your posture just keeps improving more and more each time. Well, that's all I have for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one.